Hey everyone! Welcome back to AWESMR Kids! Today I'm super excited to hang out with baby Marshall.
Hi everyone! Hi, I'm Marshall. Was that me?
Whoa, it sounds like you're hungry, Marshall.
Yeah, kinda.
It is breakfast time. What do you want to eat?
Oh, I can pick anythings?
Yep, anything.
Okay. I want waffles with blueberries. Oh, and eggs and bacons.
Ooh, that sounds delicious. But are you going to be able to finish it?
Yeah, Marshall hungries.
Okay, I'll go whip it up for you then. Be right back. Alright, so here's my waffle maker. I'll put in some light brown Play-Doh and then press down. I think it's ready. Check out my first waffle. I'll just take off the excess Play-Doh and then I'll make another one. And here's my second waffle. Let's make some butter out of yellow Play-Doh. I'm just gonna shape it with my hands into a square with round edges. Let's go add this to the waffles. Yum, those are looking great, but they still need some blueberries. On my waffle maker, there's little fruits on the handle. Let's make some blueberries with the blue Play-Doh. I'll put a little bit on each side and then press it together. Here's my blueberry. I'll make a couple more just like it. And my blueberry waffles are done. Marshall's gonna love this. The next thing he asked for is eggs. I'll make him a sunny side up egg with yellow and white Play-Doh. Let's close it up. This egg turned out great! I just need to take off the excess Play-Doh around it. Let's make some bacon next using white and red Play-Doh. Let's plate this. Yum! I love the smell of bacon in the morning. Breakfast is served, Marshall.
Yay! It's done! Marshall's so hungry. Feed me! Yummy waffles! Ooh, and yummy bacons.
What are you waiting for, Marshall? Go ahead and dig in.
Okay. That was the best!
Wow, you finished everything! Great job, Marshall! Now what would you like for lunch?
Oh, I can pick anything again?
Yep, anything.
Marshall want hot dog and hamburger and fries!
Wow, you have quite the appetite today, but all right, if that's what you want.
Yay! Thank yous!
Okay, so the first thing Marshall asked for is a hot dog. Here's a nice soft bun that I lightly toasted. And here's the hot dog link. And now I'm gonna add some mustard. And a little bit of relish on both sides. That looks great! Let's move on to the burger. Here's a sesame bun that I toasted. On the other side is the mold for the patty. Let's make it out of dark brown Play-Doh. And here's the bottom bun. It has the cheese mold on it. Let's make it out of yellow Play-Doh. Cheese! Let's make some lettuce using green Play-Doh. I'll make some onions using white Play-Doh. And some tomato with red Play-Doh. Let's go assemble it. That is one tasty looking burger. It almost looks like a Krabby Patty. We need some fries to go with this. I'll roll out some yellow Play-Doh and then cut it into strips like French fries. Let's add it to the plate. Yum! Let's go give it to Marshall.
Yay! Lunchtime, lunchtime! It smells so yummy in here.
Are you ready for your feast, Marshall?
Yeah, I'm fired up.
Here you go, one perfectly cooked burger and hot dog and French fries.
Wow, thank you. Both look so good. Which to eat first? You. No, you. No, you. No, you. Okay, hot dog first. That was so good. Burger time. Marshall's done. I ate all of it.
You sure did. That was impressive. Both plates are licked clean.
What's for dinner?
I don't know, Marshall. What would you like for dinner?
I get to choose again? This is the best day ever. Marshall wants pizzas and ice creams.
Ooh, great choice. I love making pizza. I'll be back in a bit with it.
Okay.
So every good pizza starts out with a good crust. Let's make it out of yellow Play-Doh. Now just roll up the sides so the sauce and the cheese stay in. Here's the tomato sauce. I'll go bake this in the oven. While that's cooking, I'll make some basil leaves for the margarita pizza. Let's go add the toppings. Here's the basil. And here's the fresh mozzarella. Let's slice it up and serve it. Here you go, Marshall. One pizza hot out of the oven.
Marshall's so excited! I can't wait! Wow, it's beautiful!
Dig in, Marshall.
Marshall done!
Man, you've eaten a lot today. I hope you save some room for dessert.
Marshall always wants ice cream.
Here you go. I made you an orange sherbet soft serve. In a cone, of course.
Yay! Marshall loves orange. Marshall done. Thank you for the best day ever.
You're welcome, Marshall. And this was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and please subscribe to watch more. Thanks!